children. Today we are going to do some exercises based on the chapter contractions. We had discussed about contractions. What did we talk about contractions? I told you that contractions are the short form of the B words. Generally contractions are, whenever we are writing the contractions, we are going to use an apostrophe. And I told you the difference between an apostrophe and a comma. Apostrophe is used in contractions, and when we are contracting the B word, what do? We always the B word follows the noun, follows the pronoun. So what do? We write the pronoun followed by the B word, and we skip or eat away. We skip a letter from the B word, and wherever we are skipping the letter, there we are going to use the apostrophe and then write our contraction or the contracted word. See, I can show you this. Can we read what it is? It is you are. When I will read it you are, because here when we will remove this apostrophe, here there was R, A-R-E-R. So you are. Same way aren't. We can even make negative contractions of the B words. Whenever we are making negative contractions of the B word, remember the B word is followed by the word not. Not always talks about negative. Something when we are talking about negative, we say no, not, false. So we are using the word not after the B word. Here it is, we are going to read it as aren't. We are going to read it as aren't. Aren't or aren't. Here are not. So here what did we do? Not has, what is the spelling of not? N-O-T, not. So what did we do here? We have removed the letter O and replaced it with the apostrophe. Right? Coming to the exercises. First question. Dash my best friend. Are you? Here two options are given. You are and your apostrophe is E. So here children, the contracted form of you are is this one. Which is the correct contracted form? You apostrophe R E. So you are my best friend. Right? This is the correct. Next, they dash my cousins. I told you after the B word, we are going to write the word not, and here since we have eaten the O, so apostrophe has been put here. Here in this, the contracted word is correct, but the apostrophe is put at the wrong place. So here we are going to write R and aren't. This is the correct contraction of are not. Dash play with me from tomorrow. So here we have two options, she apostrophe L, she will, and again we have tried to write she will, but see what is the full form of she will? She and will. And what did we eat of? We ate of W-I. So the apostrophe should have been after the word she, then double L. So it is she will. Next, I am. Both are same. They look the same, but see the use of the apostrophe, it is at the wrong place. So here I apostrophe N. I am. This is the correct contraction of I am. When I will read it I am. Next, dash she helping you with the project? Isn't she? Aren't she? Now remember children, whenever we are going to use isn't, aren't, we are going to use do, does, and when we are using do, don't, doesn't, aren't, isn't, you have to keep it in your mind. The rule remains the same. Is with singular, are with plural, then do, I do, we do, they do with plural nouns, and does with singular. So you don't have to forget the rules. The rules remain same whether it is a negative form of did or we are using did as it is. So here isn't or aren't. Is not. This is the full form of isn't. And aren't, what is the expanded form? Are not. So we will use isn't because here we can see there is a singular pronoun she. So isn't she helping you? with the project. So here we have a question mark also. Rahul dash break this cup. Rahul don't, didn't. We'll read it as didn't. So don't or didn't. I just now told you we will use here didn't because Rahul is a singular and we can't use don't. Don't we use with I do, we do, they do. We use doesn't. If there would have been an option of doesn't and didn't, then both would have been correct. Because didn't we use it in the gone time and does in the present time. Dash he help his mother in kitchen. Again, doesn't and don't. Doesn't he help? Now just now I told you because here Rahul, we are talking about Rahul, singular, so we did not have the option of doesn't, but here we have doesn't. So doesn't and don't. Don't we will not use. Don't is used with plural nouns and pronouns and with I. So doesn't he help his mother in the kitchen? These are the correct answers of these options, and whenever you will use the contractions, see that the options that are given to you, the apostrophe is at the correct place, and second thing, you should know that you are using it with a singular or a plural noun or a pronoun, right? And the rest of the discussions we will have in the Google Meet class. Thank you.